I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Meet background not working. So to get started, first you have to check your browser compatibility. For Google Meet, you need the effects will only work on Google Chrome, the latest version, or on Microsoft Edge. And if you're using Safari, Firefox, or others, it will not work. Or next, for you need to enable your hardware acceleration. For there, you just have to click on the three dots right here, and then from there you just have to go to settings, then go to system, then find use hardware acceleration when available. You have to just turn it on right there, and then after that you just have to restart your Chrome. And that's how you fix Google Meet background if it's not working.